Good morning, student. I Arvind from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. Student, today we are going to learn our new topic: force on moving charge in a magnetic field. Yes, student. Force of a moving charge. Okay. In earlier classes, or we can say that in our electrostatics, we are learned that F equal to QE. Okay. At a steady position, F equal to QE. But what happens when force on charge, when it is in motion in magnetic field? Okay. A charged particle is in motion in magnetic field, then what will happen? Electric charge moving in a magnetic field produces or experience force. Okay. Here we have to learn that the direction here is we are taking a positive charge. Okay. Here we are taking a positive charge Q, and direction of the magnetic field is represented as shown in the figure. Okay. And we are taking a moving charge. It means what happened? A charged particle, whatever we are having, is in motion in the magnetic field. Then what will happen? Okay. Then what will happen? First we have to find when charged particle is in motion. Suppose that, you have to remember one thing. Suppose that it may be or it may be not. Okay. But we are considered here. Suppose a particle moving with velocity v and making an angle theta, particle moving with velocity v and making an angle theta with magnetic field. Okay, student? Particle moving with velocity v and making an angle theta. I told you it may or may be not. Suppose the angle is 0, then condition is different. Suppose angle is 90 degrees, then condition is different. But to understand, we are taking here our angle theta. Thereafter we can easily find it if what happen when angle is 90 degree or 0 degree. Okay, student? But here we are taking the magnetic field V in this direction and making an angle velocity V, making an angle theta with this direction. To find the direction of the force. Why? Because we have already what is force. Okay, the particle is moving, it means it already given the particle is in motion in which magnetic field. So what we have to find? We have to find the force. So to find the force, we are applying Fleming left hand rule. Okay, Fleming left hand rule. Just Fleming left hand rule. You know that Fleming left hand rule. To find the fragment, consider or spread your finger in such a way that forefinger, middle finger and thumb are mutually perpendicular to each other in this way. Okay, just suppose your finger like that. Okay, this is forefinger, middle finger and thumb in this way. Then student, you must remember, forefinger gives the direction of, forefinger, understand the topic, forefinger, okay, gives the direction of force. Understand? Forefinger gives the direction of, the forefinger gives the direction of magnetic field. Forefinger gives the direction of magnetic field. Middle finger gives the direction of current or a velocity. It may be current or velocity. Okay, student? It may be current or a velocity of the charged particle. Then thumb gives the direction of the force. Suppose we are considered that in this way. Okay? Look at here. Here is the magnetic field and this is the velocity. Then force is in this direction. The questions comes in your mind, sir. You are telling that magnetic field and velocity are perpendicular to each other in your right hand, left hand thumb rule, but you are making an angle theta with velocity. So it's not to bother about that. We are just consider look at here. It is if V is making a theta with the B, then just take its vertical component V sin theta. Okay, this is vertical component. Then force F in this direction. That's all. Okay, just take it. Okay, but for this I am just going here in this way. Here is V sin theta, just 90 degree this one, making a 90 degree in this way, and this is the force. Okay, so just consider the charge part, magnetic direction of the magnetic field, this direction of the velocity component we are taking V sin theta in this way, then force. Thumb gives the direction of the force. Okay, student, by this we can easily find the magnetic field. So what? The force is directly proportional. Force F is directly proportional to what? Whatever magnetic field applied by us. Force is directly proportional to whatever magnetic field applied by us. Force is directly proportional to the, force is directly proportional to the charge. Whatever charge we have, positive charge, we consider the force is directly proportional to the quantity of the magnitude of the charge, and force is directly proportional to the vertical component of the velocity, that is V sin theta. From all this we can what is said that F is directly proportional to what? B Q V sin theta. Okay, in this way directly proportional. And what? When we take out, just remove the proportionality sign, K B Q V sin theta. In this way we can find the what? Force is equal to K B Q V sin theta. But consider the K is the constant, value is 1, then what our result? F equal to B Q V sin theta. Okay, student. Now what? Here is a sin theta, and you must know the angle between B and V. Angle between B and V, and comes sine component. Then F equal to Q B cross V. Why? Cross product, because here is a sin theta and in between B and V. Okay, student, just consider that is our force on moving charge particle in the magnetic field. Must remember what's Fleming left hand rule, or we can say it simply when we can say right hand palm rule. Okay, student, what right hand palm rule? Just look at here. Just look at here. This shows the direction of motion. Okay, this shows the magnetic field, and this shows the palm. This will show the force. So just put it your this right hand. So this is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of the velocity, or we can just this one, or consider this one. Okay, right hand. I am taking the right hand. So just here direction of the magnetic field, here V, this is the direction of the velocity, thumb, and palm, this one shows the direction of the force. Okay, in this way we can find the easily force on moving charge in magnetic field. That's all for today. Thank you, student.